Hi, my name's Rob. You are
Lillie!
Lillie. We're doing another. Well, we wanted to do a video together, didn't we?
Yeah.
We like doing these videos together.
Yay!
And it's a nice break from gaming.
Yeah.
And you wanted to do this, didn't you?
Yeah, which is fine.
Measure 15 milliliter of white glue using the supplied measuring cup. So I'm guessing these are the measuring cups. We're gonna be here a while, aren't we? Yeah.
This is going to take forever.
Yeah, you telling me?
Oh!
Right, should I help you? Because it's a bit tough, isn't it? Let me help a bit.
It's hard, isn't it?
It is quite hard. Is that 15 mil, do you reckon?
No.
No.
That might be actually
into the bowl, so that goes into there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that goes into that. So I've now got to scrape. Right, okay.
You got to scrape it out with the stick.
Well, it doesn't say use the stick. I hope I can use the stick though.
Yeah. So I'm doing mine purple, Dada.
No, I'm back. Right, where were we?
Oh,
Right, we need 30 mil, it says,
30 mil.
of water.
No, 30.
No, but it don't say. You know, it says to room temperature. So I'm guessing that's your additive, yeah?
Yeah. Can I do purple? Please, can we do purple?
You want to do purple.
Yeah.
Right. Let me just wait, because I don't know what I've got to do here.
Mix it.
It says, yeah, but it don't look like slime. It just looks like
Purple.
watery glue. I mean, if the instructions come and they say this is a fun activity or make it fun,
Yeah.
if they're having to tell you
Yeah.
that it's fun,
Yeah.
is it fun?
Yeah.
You reckon?
Yeah.
No. Right.
I think it's fun.
I know that.
Dada, purple. Purple.
I know. Right, okay. I know what I'm doing now. You want purple?
Yes, purple.
Right. I have to do this bit.
Okay.
Because I don't want you getting it all over your clothes.
Oh, because it goes everywhere.
It does, yeah.
Is it dry?
Right, you want to add any sequins or googly eyes or glitter? Want some glitter?
Yeah.
Okay then.
Put in one of those.
I put it in there.
Yeah.
It needs washing up anyway, doesn't it? Right, are we going to put some in then because it needs to be mixed up?
What about if I do the mixing part?
Well, you can help. They went everywhere! Oh no! Right, should we put some in?
Yeah.
Right.
And then can we add some sweet wings?
Sequins.
Sweet wings.
Oh. No, we'll make this glittery one because I don't want to make it too lumpy. Because I don't know if it's even gonna. Oh.
And then we might need the activator.
We do. Have you been watching videos on this?
Yeah. Oh, we have.
I can't believe I'm doing one of these videos. Right.
Get the activator and then put it in.
It says 5 mil.
5 mil.
So what do we do?
Found
Found it. Oh, not opened it.
Silly Dada.
Oh no, silly daddy.
Yes, silly. I didn't know. I want to feel it.
Oh, you can't touch this.
No, that. That's here. I want to touch that.
Not just yet, darling. Soon though.
Right, I think you should pour it in.
I don't know if that's enough. Let's add a little bit more. No, that's about 5 mil. I think.
Pour it in.
Yeah. And then it says mix.
That's it.
Oh wow.
I haven't done it.
That is so weird. That is so weird. I swear, honestly, it was like water a minute ago. And I've just added that, and now it's...
Like slime.
It is, it's like slime. Oh, wow, look at that, Lillie. That's really cool, isn't it?
It got stuck.
Ew! It's like Mummy's cooking.
Yeah.
Ew!
Mummy.
Yeah,
Mummy.
yeah, I know what you mean.
It's
Oh, that's horrible.
stretching.
Yeah.
How is it stretching?
And then, what does it say? Do not stir with your hands. You'll see the mixture get thicker.
It's stuck on my hand.
After the solution is absorbed, remove the slime with your hand. Right, okay. So, God, I've got to use this bloody thing now.
Trial.
Oh, it's horrible.
It's
It's horrible.
I'll get it.
It's proper gross. It's like bogies. It's yours now. It's done. Let's get rid of that.
Yeah.
So, that's our slime video.
You actually just have.
Our slime video, that's done. You gonna say bye to everyone?
Bye.
We've lost you, haven't you? Slime. You can tidy all this up anyway.
No.
Anyway, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye.